channel is going to be different for now on. Because Ella's not allowed anymore. We fostered kittens before. The boy was buff-colored, and Mama Maggie was buff-colored. You would see them in my own video a lot. And then Calico, Malibu, and then the triplets. Meffy has a stripe. Monaco has a spot, and then Lonnie looks like she has splashed with paint. Meffy's laying on the couch right now. She's adorable. They had surgery, so they can't have babies. I'm gonna take the babies off. Lonnie, stop attacking my headphones. Hey, Meffy. Hey, girl. Here she is. They're both 9 weeks old. This is Memphi, as you can see her stripe. Okay, you go. You fatty. We gave them middle names yesterday. Lonnie's middle name is Elizabeth. My mom chose it because when my mom chose Lonnie out, and I chose Memphi out, so my mom said that I should do Ray because Memphi Ray and then my last name. Sounds nice. But I was thinking we could have her middle name be Fatty because she's fat. Fat kitten. And yeah. It's fat kitten. It's fat kitten. I'm bored, as you may tell. She's just a fat kitten. Oh my gosh, stop playing with that marker. Lonnie, go down on the carpet. Guys, I need to tell my mom. For a second, so I'll be yelling. The door's over here. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm gonna show you guys what I made the kittens, the girls. So you kind of see the kitten room. There's a store. If you wondering what this is, we're gonna do it next week because they need to heal from their surgery. So it goes in right here. You open up the door and there's a little bit of space. So my rabbit and the kittens can fit through. Memphi. Memphi was playing so much with me. Girl. Yeah, about the middle names. Memphi's middle name is a mix of Fatty and Foray, so Ray, so it's Foray. Memphi, I know you want to see Ollie, but he'll try to eat you. My parents have to train him to be good with you. You know this is weird how I'm petting you. Let me pet you normally this time. Pet him normally. Oh, and hi, Lonnie. Memphi, what you doing down there? Here's where Memphi went. Maybe look at the camera. They have so many toys and they're fighting over one toy. They love this box. And they have this little house made for rabbits, but they eat it. We got this half of the box. This is their tunnel under. And this is how many weeks they are. Look at 9 weeks right now. So play with Memphi and Lonnie. Girls only. Look at Memphi and Lonnie. I traced this. So, yeah. I can also stay on the top of the tunnel. I have this. It's a mess up. And here's our little kitchen. This is where they eat. This is food and treats in here. I hung this up so I can hold their balls. In here, it has a little cat. Oh my gosh. It has a little cat-shaped hole. So then girls can get in. My dog, Ollie, only his head can fit through, but he won't be able to reach them because they're already all the way on this side. And that's her little box. And their bedroom. Let me try this. Let me turn the light on. Turn on the light. Alright, so now I can finally show you like that. I was like, show you. Look at this is Memphi's bed and Lonnie's bed. This is Memphi's bed and Lonnie's bed. And there's little nightstands. It's both of their beds because I can switch them over. Little scratching thing. Then they can go up here. There's a little ball that can hold. Very scratchy. Very easy to scratch for them. They can lay in here, but we don't allow them to lay in there because they can try to jump down from there. Neither with this spot because this spot's also bad. And we don't let them up here. I haven't even thought about up here, but they can fill it up with water and make a pool. No, we can't do that. And when they lay on this, it heats up. And a regular bed. That's the kitty room tour. I just scared Lonnie. I saw Lonnie playing with that. I just saw Memphis under the cat. I thought I just saw her under the cat. But she just went in there. I don't know what's going on. And there's some litter on this. Because they're crazy.